Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can repeat the currently playing song in Apple Music to play it over and over again on the iPhone 15 series. First, swipe up at the bottom to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, tap on the music player, so open up the Apple Music player, then tap on Library. In Library, you can play a song from the playlist, or you can tap on songs in here. Now open up the songs that you want to play. So let's say this song's right here, Sway. So open up the music player, then tap on this button down here. So tap on the playlist button. At the top here, tap on this icon, is the arrow icon, so that is the repeat. This repeat will repeat the whole playlist. So if you want to repeat the same song, so you tap on it again until it shows number 1. Now you can see here when it says number 1, this will allow the music app to repeat the same song over and over again. So it will play the current playing songs again and again and again. And that is how you can repeat the currently playing song on the iPhone 15 series. Now again, if you tap on the button, it will turn off. Repeat, tap on it again. This will repeat the whole list, so it will repeat all the songs in the list. And this button here with the number 1 will repeat only the current playing song. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.